Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Mazda CX-5 engine air filter. This is a simple maintenance task you can do yourself, saving time and money. You'll need a new engine air filter, which you can easily find online or at an auto parts store. Sometimes, a Phillips head screwdriver is useful, but often it's not even necessary. Make sure your car is off and parked safely. Now, let's find the air filter box. It's usually a large, black plastic box located on the passenger side of your engine bay. You'll see several metal clips or sometimes a few screws holding the cover in place. Carefully unclip all of these fasteners. If there are screws, use your Phillips head screwdriver to loosen them, but don't remove them completely. With the clips undone, you can now gently lift the top half of the air box. You'll see the old, rectangular engine air filter sitting inside. Carefully pull it straight out. Take a moment to look at the old filter. Notice how much dirt, leaves, or other debris it has collected. This visual inspection helps you understand why regular replacement is important for engine health. Now take your brand new engine air filter and carefully place it into the air box. Make sure it sits snugly and evenly within the housing with no gaps around the edges. Once the new filter is in place, lower the airbox cover back down. Reattach all the metal clips, ensuring they are securely fastened. If you loosened any screws, tighten them gently. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.